the loop. Even my candle was in the loop, right? Let's see, but sweetheart, take care of yourself. You always deserved the black heart. I am loving you from the past 4 5 months. I knew it obviously, I know it. The world will consider me as a fool, as a stupid person. But I don't think like that because I know about my future person. Yes, I behave according to my future person because I know who the hell I am and who the hell I am going to be, who the hell I am already. So hope you are happy now, sweetheart. Take care of yourself. You have got the love of a very real person. My love has so much power because I'm a pure person. So here, so tell me, girl, do I fucking have that much time? By the way, can you take care of self? Oh my goodness, so tell me, guys, do I fucking have that much time? I'll follow you guys one by one. Don't worry. Do I have that much time? Some girls are still doing mess with me, guys. Still, like first they are using the symbol, and then they are like, "Hey, you okay? Take care of yourself." Okay, even quick edits will be really amazing. Oh, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, sweetheart. So, like, girls are like doing stupidity with me. They are using the symbol and then they change their mood. They swap, they skip, they swap, they do. Tell me, girls, tell me, do I fucking have that much time? Do I have that much time? Huh? First you will use the symbol and then you will change your mood, then you will turn out, huh? You know how much you are fucking my mind. You are fucking fuck my mind. How dare you? Can't you see how struggle I am doing? Stupid. I mean, how could you be that much creep? How could someone be that much creep? Listen, whoever has scammed me till now and all, no issue. This talk is the old bad words are not for them or anything. You know what? I can't even say you bad. No, not like wrong words or anything. I'm not going to do it. You don't have a character, but I do have. So I'm not going to do it. Whether, whether you scam me or going to scam me or anything, I can't because I have a character. I am a king. I don't know about you or anything, right? ओ तेरी बहन का चूतड़ निकल जा भोसड़ी के कहाँ से भोंक रहा है yes right now I'm going somewhere so in my street you may see it so you will listen it and all I'm walking going to the park so yeah these are the things tell me huh do I have that much time I'm not going to say since the start I never wanted to say any bad words to anyone but or I didn't. I never did. Tell me. Yes, sir, 2 3 times you can say when my mind got really too much fucked up by others. Only then. Apart from this, do I ever did anything wrong with anyone? Tell me how. Huh? No, I am taking care of everyone. I am here alone, and you all are there. Huh? There is no one more stronger than me. Stupids. You all are kids in front of me. And like what's the donation is huh what's the donation is do I have that much time I'm making everything real I'm making all the contents real I'm not making contents or anything I am finding my upside and doing things and all living my normal life my regular life and whatever I like I make it as content not for content baby not for content I'm not making anything I'm letting it all real the real movie and all why because I can't waste time cannot waste time and you all should behave like me your whole life is a movie you know yes and you will have to free your mind. You will have to like स्वतंत्र विचार वाला होना पड़ेगा तुम्हारे को. फ्री माइंड, फ्री थिंकिंग लेवल, फ्री थॉट्स you should have, you must have. This is the definition of true success. You know what's true success? True success is peace. To get successful, to get real successful, you will have to become really open. First, you will have to know your own self. Only then you would be able to get the success. I'm not talking about normal common success here. I'm talking about the whole fucking world. I'm not talking here about the small success and all. No, never. I am talking about the long lasting. It's not temporary success I'm talking about. I'm talking about one time success. Just one time success, and that's enough. That's not a movie of Ali Hollywood, Bollywood movies, stars movie. They will earn after a movie or anything they will do in their life and all, and they will earn. And again, they for earning more, they'll have to do shits again and all. No, it's one time success. It's a fucking system. Once I created it, that's it. The whole life I will be just sitting and enjoying my life and will help poor people. I am enjoying my life. Success is the journey. My voice could be really higher right now, high voice, because you may see background voices, right? So this is the thing. Tell me, because of background noise, I'm like speak. So tell me, do I have that much time? True success, you know what is a peace of mind? True success is peace. The more you will be kind, the more you are going to be happiness. Like success, the more success you will get. And I am already a successful. Let me tell you one thing, sweethearts. I am already a rich man. You heard me 100% correct. I am a multimillionaire, almost a billionaire. Yes, baby, I'm not kidding. Fucking, I am already a very rich man. But right now, I'm in my worst. So, I mean, isn't it amazing? A poor boy, a poor man, a poor guy is making a Hollywood movie, best Hollywood than ever before. He beated the Avatar world, James Cameron's world Avatar. He beated Titanic. He beated Queen's Gambit web series, all the web series, and the Kardashians and all. He has beaten all the web series and all the movie. What do you think? If you will have a choice. You will have to only choose one movie of any star or web series, or my movie, my show. What will you prefer? Obviously, you will prefer my show, right? This is reality, right? These are like everything related to my life and all. I'm saving as contents. I have saved a lot of archive. If you will see, your mind will be shocked. The brown guy rocked and the world got shocked. Brown guy rocked, world got shocked. I am an Indian person, baby. I am an Indian person. Right? Don't dare to take me lightly. I am an Indian. Right? Yes. हल्के में नहीं लेना बेटा, ये बंदा इंडियन है, वो मैं ही हूँ obviously. Yeah, yes, I am an Indian person, baby. Right? We are the one who gave zero to the world. We are the one in NASA. 90% doctors and scientists are from India, baby. Yeah, we are the one who made missiles. We are the one who innovate several things. We are the one who gave meditation, yogas, a lot of exercise and medicine, jadi booty, alana phalana dhimkana to the world. We are the one who told thousands of years ago that the earth rounds the sun, not the sun rounds the earth. We are the one. We have done a lot of things. And I am the one who made threats, right? Yes. How will I be take it? I swear to God, I will take it very easily, but not now, right? How? You all will see. You are here. I am here. No one is going anywhere, right? It's about my self-respect and all, right? To become real successful, you will have to you'll be having to have a peace of mind and all. A kid is teaching you all. You must learn something from me, babies. Not just a kid, I'm a mature, very old person, and I'm a kid, and I'm a teenager. And I am everything. ब्रह्मांड के कण कण में शामिल हूँ मैं ही भगवान हूँ परमात्मा. Yes, I am the fucking God. So, so these are the things. Tell me, I'm the fucking God. Tell me, do I have that much time? Huh? I am only giving these private sections love, these black heart, private tagging, private account to only girls whom I love the most. Why I'm asking money from them then, right? Because they are my lover. If they will not support me in this journey of mine, then how? How other will? Tell me. Ma Apsara could be anyone. This is why I'm loving so many girls. And if I love so many girls, then what's the problem? What's my fault? Tell me. They love me, that's why I love them. And I don't love even a single girl out of you. If I would have been loving even a single girl out of you like that way, then I wouldn't have been doing this shit. I wouldn't have been only efforts for just one girl, right? But I am loving every single one as I am only yours. Yes, you can consider it the king is only mine. Or you tell me what? I have considered you all as my Apsara, whether nothing or whether Apsara. Or tell me what? Or tell me how should I take it like? How should I put it through like? Tell me. You all can consider it that the king is only mine and I am only yours. Or tell me what? This is the hard and realest truth. Emotionally, you all are connected to me. Ask to girls whom I have unfollowed. They are like begging. They are almost crying to get me back. They are almost crying that I should follow them and all again. They are coming to the girls profile, girls post reels. They are coming into new girls profile so that they can get in touch with me. They can come in my eyes, in front of my eyes. They are making reels with them just to come in front of my eyes and so that I can show sympathy and can like add them and all. But I did with Savina Hada, right? Savina Hada, something her name is. She didn't buy me a cup of coffee. No one. Girls, why didn't you buy me a cup of coffee? Tell me. You can ask me too. Ask me and I will buy you 2 cups of coffee. 10, 15, 100. Yes, I will. Ask me and I'll give you. I'll buy you a cup of coffee. Is that $5 is that much? Huh? Or even if not $5, you can donate fucking $1, $2, whatever, even 1 cent, right? You all were feeling hesitation right now, also hesitating and all. This is why I have created all the way for you all. I will donate to Palestine and all. Yes, I will donate to Palestine. I will make a whole team. Edits are only for you. Donations are only for you, not for me. Right? I will make a lot of dragons and a lot. You know how much does an edit cost? My edits more than $25 US. More than 25. You know how much time does it take to make one dragon? More than a week. I'm a I'm a faster man. That's why I make it within a day, right? Even professional can make it within 2 3 days or 1 week, but I make it within 2 3 hours. Every day right now I'm making a lot of pets, 5 to 10 pets every day. I have made a lot of content right now. It will be really, really, really amazing. All real love, real angerness, and everything is here. So I'm going to I'm making a Hollywood movie. Like a man, a poor guy is making Hollywood movie with no money, with absolutely nothing. Wouldn't it be amazing? If I would have been already a very rich person, then I would have been able to make the Hollywood movie by my own pocket. But then, would it be really interesting? No. The world has already so many Hollywood movies and all, right?